Hi, this is Queen Pearl. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now, I am coming to you bare face, nothing on, just moisturizer, lip balm, because I want to get this video up because it's long overdue. This is my February unboxings of the BoxyCharm. So I have here the BoxyCharm base box and the premium. So again, this is for February, so long overdue. We're already in March. So let's get started. This is the base box, and bear with me. This is the premium box. So you can see the size difference. Yeah. Alright. Again, the base box is $25 a month. The premium box is $35 a month. So, I don't have the card with me for the base box. They were emailed for some reason. So for the base box, I'm gonna put the prices in the screen. I'll probably do it for both boxes. We'll see. Any which way, you'll get the prices. So the first item I have is the Evio Skin Aurora Refreshing Cleansing Hemp Wipes. So some makeup remover wipes, nice travel size. My sister says she already wants those, so I'll give that to her. Then we got the Ciate London Translucent Coconut Setting Powder. I love Ciate's packaging. It just looks so pretty. And then I have an item I've been wanting to try for such a long time. It's by Laura Geller. It's their Baked Gelato Swirl Highlighters. And this is in their most very popular shade in Gilded Honey. Let's see if I can swatch it for you. It looks like it's going to be super soft, but it's not. I mean, it's not super hard either. You can still get a product out of it, but... Okay, let me just blend this in a little bit. Ooh. It's a nice, pretty gold color. So, I mean, I can definitely pull it off now with a light hand. Those will probably be much better on me during the summer or going into summer months, but it's definitely a pretty color. Then we got the Luxie Complete Sponge Set. It comes with 3 blending sponges. We have the Detail Blender Brush. Then we have the Precision Blender Brush. I keep saying brush. Sponge. And the Powder Blender Sponge. So I'm curious to see how these perform and what they're going to be like once wet, because I hate sponges that are too stiff. I mean, I'm just spoiled with the Beauty Blender. I mean, I do like the Real Techniques beauty sponge as well, but I hope they soften up, but I'll find out soon, won't I? I'll keep you updated if you guys are curious. Then this was the item we were able to choose. You could have got the, I believe it was a Ciate London eyeshadow palette or the Becca foundation. I chose this. Now this, I definitely, did not choose the right shade. I always have issues picking my shade for some reason. Like the concealer I chose last time was too dark. The foundation I chose this time was too light. Like maybe as a winter shade, but even then, and I could mix it with my other foundation too to darken up a bit, but oh my gosh, this thing is super heavy and thick, like moussey, but really thick. It's like rubbing paint on you. I thought it smells, but I don't know. This seems really thick, like pancake batter. I'm gonna give it a try, but if I don't like it, I'm gonna pass this on to my sister too. She's got my skin tone. She's a little bit lighter though, so maybe this will fit her better. But that was in the base box. And now bear with me while we go into the premium. Let's see. This foundation is gonna dry because I don't want to open up the makeup wipe, so I'm gonna give it to my sister, and I didn't bring nothing to wipe off any of these swatches with. So, haha, YouTube fail. Now the premium box, however, did come with the card. What I didn't mention before, the Boxy charm theme for this month is Boxy Adore. So, okay, this one I can read to you from the card what the prices are. Okay, the first item I chose. I forgot what were the choices. I want to say it was a palette. I'm not 100% sure. But I chose a flat iron. The flat iron is from Suture Beauty. It is $79.99. So I'm very excited to try this out. Then everybody got this. This is the Glow Recipe facial spray. You gotta shake it up because you know, like, it separates. I'm super excited about this. And oh my goodness, the smell is, oh, it smells like watermelon candy. And the mist on is like so fine. Like I love the mist on this too. So if when this runs out, I'm definitely gonna be repurchasing. This is retailed for $28. Next item is everybody got. This is the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Blush. $4 this is worth. And it's in the shade Diffused Heat. I really like this like marble design. It's so pretty. This reminds me kind of like the Ciate London blush. How it got that marble design that we got, you know, like a few months back. Which I really been enjoying that blush. Now, it's light, but you can always build on it. It's very buildable. And it gives you a nice sheen. So it's not matte, but it's not shimmering either. Then the next item is Fascia Skincare 24K Gold Foil Moisturizer. This is worth $100. I don't think so, but I mean, there was a lot of controversy over this, and I'm not gonna get into it. But this is what we got. I think everybody got this. I'm not sure. Then we got the Tarte Cosmetics Double Duty Base Hydrating Primer. This is worth $30. Anything with the word hydrating, you guys already know I'm on it. I'm all over it. This reminds me of like their Tarte Shape Tape packaging. And is this coconut too? Hydrating. I don't know, it doesn't say, but it does feel hydrating. So I'm very excited about trying this out. And if I didn't say so already, this is worth $30. And the last item I got in my box is this big daddy right here. This is the Chorus, whatever, body butter. This is worth $32. This seems, $32 is not a bad price for the size of this thing. This thing is huge. And it is, I already said, $32. What's the, oh, Vanilla Blossom. Mediterranean Vanilla Blossom is the scent. Let me just, ooh, and just, oh, put on this side. Oh, it's nice and thick. Like, I love a thick body butter or cream because I'm super dry and I'm dry everywhere. It just melts into the skin way better, but it lasts. It doesn't just like melt and disappear. It still does what it's, you know, supposed to do and moisturize the skin instead of just disappearing like water. And oh, it smells so nice. This is definitely going to be a repurchase. It feels nice so far. It's I like the consistency and it smells amazing. So thank you very much. I will definitely be back. Hopefully I won't be back super late to unbox March's Boxy Charm boxes. As you know, March means Lux month, so I'll be unboxing the premium and the Luxe box. So stay tuned for that. I also have a couple of palettes to review. I just haven't gotten around to doing so. Sorry guys, I've been super busy. I have the new Jeffree Star Bloodlust palette to review. I have the Dominique Cosmetics Latte 2 palette to review. And I also have the Jaclyn Hill palette volume 2 to also review. So stay tuned. Those will be coming up. I don't know when. I can't promise you when because I don't want to let you guys down, but they will be up soonish. So thank you guys. Like this video, give it a thumbs up. I'm sorry for being so super late, but like, comment, subscribe, and thank you.